Hello and welcome. My name is Emma Marie Banks, and I'm the Computer Science Specialist at the Maine Department of Education. In this video, we're going to talk about some computer science strategies for teaching in a multi-modality environment. As we all know, right now, the situation in the classroom changes regularly, and so expecting and planning for being in a multi-modality environment can be extremely beneficial when planning your teaching for the year. So some of the strategies that you can work to employ are to integrate computer science. So look for computer science in what you're already doing and start calling it out and making it more intentional. This is a really great place to get started because you can really start with what are you doing in the classroom and what are the key principles of computer science that set students up for success, and try to match those two together. And then just start talking about it with your students. Next is to lead with computational thinking. So use computational thinking as a constant. So computational thinking is an aspect of computer science, but it really helps to frame the way that we need to think about computer science problems and computer science topics and all of those kinds of things. So leading with computational thinking can be another really great way to teach in a multimodality environment. There's lots of activities both in the classroom and out. And then, of course, keeping it simple. So start with the basics. It's not all coding and robots. There's lots of computer science principles such as pattern recognition, algorithms, and things like that that are very simple to work into what you're doing with students. And it doesn't require you to have a whole bunch of knowledge on the forefront in order to do those things. Another great thing is to unplug it. So engage students in unplugged computer science activities that don't require a device. A lot of these opportunities are very simple, and you can use a variety of tools in order to do that. Even a great example is to have students do activities to learn binary. And one of the ways that you can do that is simply by having a handful of two different things, right? So if it's pipe cleaners, one color and it's different color, you only need two colors. Or it could be popsicle sticks that you color or you paint. That's a very simplistic way to do an unplugged activity with students. And there are dozens and dozens just like that. And whenever possible, harness the fun. So there's a lot of flashy and fun tools that really hook students into computer science. So whether it's robots or, block-based coding using something like Scratch, there's all sorts of ways that you can get students excited about computer science. Video games is another way, having them create and design their own games. There's lots of things that can be done. Just remember, at the end of the day, if you're integrating it and you're leading with computational thinking, keeping it simple, unplugging it whenever possible, and harnessing that fun, that you'll really be focusing on the most high impact strategies for teaching computer science in a multimodality environment.